Hello everyone, on this video I'll be showing you guys how to install Linux operating system on your Windows machine. So first step, we go to start menu, we type turn Windows features on or off. You select the first option and then you scroll down to the section where it says Windows subsystem for Linux. If this box is on check, you need to check it and click OK. Once you do that, it will install updates for Linux subsystem on your machine, and once the update is done installing, it will ask you to reboot your machine, and that will be all. So once you reboot your machine, the second step would be you go into your Microsoft Store. This is your Microsoft Store, or you can just click on start menu. If it's not pinned to your taskbar, you can click on your start menu and search for Microsoft Store, which is the first option. Select, and then you go to your search bar on Microsoft Store and search for Linux. It will give you all Linux operating system you've got. So for this video we will be installing Ubuntu. So install. Alright, this will take a little while because it's a big file. So it's actually moving very fast. Alright then. Alright, so once this is done installing, perfect, it's done installing, then I'll go ahead and launch. And then once it's launched, it will do this one-time installation, and once it's done, you can now start using your Ubuntu operating system on your Windows machine. On my next video, I'll be sharing with you guys most common commands you can run on your